So I recently released a video showing you how you can edit your drone clips into a sequence using just a mobile phone. And I was surprised by the amount of comments I got where you guys were asking how exactly you got them video clips or photos off your DJI Mini 3 Pro onto something like a mobile phone or tablet. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using quick transfer. This is a mode that allows you to wirelessly export that content from your DJI Mini 3 Pro onto a mobile phone or tablet. It works at a high speed, and the best part is you don't even need to turn on your controller. So let's jump right in. So you've been out flying with your DJI Mini 3 Pro, you've captured some awesome clips, taking some beautiful photos, and now you want to get them onto your mobile phone to do a quick edit, to maybe make a sequence, post it on social media, or share it with family and friends. Well, to do this, we're going to need two things. Firstly, you need your drone, in this case the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and then you also need a mobile phone or tablet. iOS or Android works, and you want to make sure that you download the DJI Fly app. Now, you probably have this downloaded if you've been using the DJI RC-N1 controller. That's the controller that you attach your mobile phone to. But if you've been using the new DJI RC controller, the one with the built-in screen, you maybe haven't downloaded the DJI Fly app to your phone or tablet yet. So make sure to go ahead and download that app. So if you're using the DJI RC-N1 controller or the new DJI RC controller with the built-in screen, you can use the quick transfer function. One thing to note though is you can't transfer the videos or photos from your DJI Mini 3 Pro to your DJI RC using quick transfer, but this is fine because you can't really edit or create sequences with them files on the DJI RC anyway. Really, we want them onto our mobile phone to make use of apps such as InShot or CapCut to create them edits. Now, what I see a lot of people doing as the primary method for getting the videos and photos off their drone and onto something like their phone is when they're flying, they go into the album, they go to the file they want, and they hit download. Now, this is fine for a short clip, but it's not really practical if you want to download lots of files. The reason for this is if you're not using quick transfer mode, you'll get speeds of around 5.5 to 6 megabits per second. But if you're using quick transfer mode, you'll get speeds of up to 25 megabits per second. So this is much faster and way more practical if you want to download lots of files at one time from your drone to something like your phone. So how do we do quick transfer? Well, you want to get your drone and you want to turn on your drone, and you also want to open the DJI Fly app on your mobile phone or tablet. After a few seconds, on the bottom left of the DJI Fly app, you'll see an option that says switch to quick transfer mode, and you simply want to tap the switch button. It will ask you to join your drone's network, and then after a few seconds you will see that your phone is now connected to your drone, your DJI Mini 3 Pro, using the quick transfer mode. You'll see a battery percentage indicator just so you know how much battery is in your drone, and then you'll see a view album button. So we want to tap view album, and now you can see all the content that is on your drone's micro SD card or internal storage that you can download to your phone. You'll see thumbnails of all the videos and photos that you can view or download. And if you haven't downloaded the video or photo yet, you'll see a little download icon inside that thumbnail. Clicking the thumbnail allows you to preview that piece of content. Now, if you want to download this video or photo that you're previewing, you can tap the download button on the bottom right of the screen. Now, when you press this, you will see that the download has started. You can also go back to the main screen, and you will see along the top how quickly that piece of content is transferring to your device. Using quick transfer, you will get up to 25 megabits per second transfer speeds. And this is really quite fast and allows you to download lots of files from your drone to your phone or tablet really quickly. Now, the speeds will vary slightly depending on a few things. I've noticed how far away you are from the drone when in quick transfer mode. It makes a slight difference. And also, if you open the legs of the drone up, the speed will always be a little bit faster. Now, if you want to download multiple files at once, you can tap the icon on the top right of the screen. It's a box with a tick in it, and this is the multi-select option. Then you can go through and tap each video or photo you want to download. And once you've selected all the content you want to transfer, you can tap the download button on the bottom right of the screen, and this will transfer all the files onto your phone or tablet. Now, if you're using the DJI RC-N1 controller to fly your drone, but you want to quickly transfer video files from your drone to your phone, you'll notice that when you open the DJI Fly app, that quick transfer option doesn't appear in the bottom left of the screen. With the controller attached, there's a different way you need to activate it. So when you're flying, you want to tap the album button, and then whenever you're in the album, at the top right, you'll see a lightning bolt indicator. you want to tap this, and then you'll get asked if you want to switch into quick transfer mode. You want to tap switch. Then you'll see a green icon saying you've now switched into quick transfer mode, and that lightning bolt icon on the top right of the screen will have went yellow. You can then transfer your videos and photos to your phone quickly using the methods I showed you earlier in the video. And once you're happy that you've got all them files off your drone and onto your phone, you can turn off quick transfer mode by tapping that lightning bolt icon in the top right and switching back to flight mode, and then you can continue flying. So hopefully this quick video has shown you how easy it is to get them videos and photos off your drone onto your phone or tablet so that you can start creating little sequences, sharing them with family and friends, or posting them online. If you've liked this video and you've learned something new, please let me know by giving me the thumbs up and clicking that like button down below. And if you love all things drones and want to know how to get better photos and more cinematic videos with your drone, then I recommend you check out my channel where I have a ton of other content to help you level up your drone game. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you want to stick around and watch a few more now, here's a few I personally recommend. I'll not keep you back any further. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you over there.